Kaya nga naisulat ko nga, paano ba tayo may general na ganyan na dapat alam mo yan, if your force are maliit, you don't feed it. You buy time. I think it's time to negotiate peace. If we really want trouble, sana bigyan naman natin ng dangal ang mga sundalo natin na pagtibayin muna natin ang armed forces natin. Now is not the right time to fight a giant like China. Now is the time to regroup and make Philippines a strong country economically. Huwag muna tayo mag-usap ng military kasi wala tayong laban at nakita naman natin dyan.
Meron pong recent post itong si retired Brigadier General Orlando De Leon. Sinasabing parang classmate ata o mista ni Security Advisor Eduardo Año. Binanggit niya, in I quote, sa kanyang post, Facebook post, Mr. Browner, itong Chief of Staff ng Armed Forces of the Philippines, has disrespected and insulted the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Tila insulto daw yung ginawa na pahayag nitong si Chief of Staff General Browner sa AFP. This questionable Chief of Staff, by likening the Chinese Coast Guard to pirates, has actually admitted that pirates are better than the most elite unit of the AFP. Kumbaga, kasi may pahayag itong si General Browner na tila mga pirata itong Chinese Coast Guard. Pero in a way, parang binabastos niya ang Armed Forces of the Philippines, particular na yung mga sundalo doon, mga elite force po yun. Kumbaga sa Navy SEAL natin yan. Elite force po yan sa Philippine Navy dahil natalo or walang nagawa ang elite unit ng AFP dito sa Chinese Coast Guard na natag ni General Browner as parang mga pirata.
Tama si Colonel or General De Leon. Kasi nga ininsulto mo yung Coast Guard na tumalo sa elite force natin. Tapos meron pa akong nakitang news na I think meron tayong mali dyan kasi dapat Coast Guard to Coast Guard lang. Tapos gumawa tayo, naging armed forces na yung pinadala natin. So tayo tuloy ang napagbintangan nag-escalate. Kasi nga Coast Guard lang yung andyan sa nakipag-deal sa Philippine Forces dati. Tapos nagpadala tayo ng military personnel which is parang gera na yung sadya natin. So mali ang ginawa ng armed forces na i-escalate yan. Kasi nga kung i-militarize mo na yan, Armed Forces of the Philippines na siyempre ang gagawin na yan, Navy na ang didil sa atin. Do you expect na palako lang dadalhin ng China dyan kung military to military na ang confrontation dyan? So we made the mistake of sending our military na dapat Coast Guard to Coast Guard lang. Tapos isa pa, nag-send tayo ng military with guns, tapos they were overpowered. Bakit you allow our military with guns tapos walang shooting, tapos palako lang naputulan? So it's very humiliating on our side. Tapos tayo patuloy nagbukang kawawa at tayo patuloy ang nakitang nag-escalate kasi nga we send our military when sana dapat Coast Guard to Coast Guard lang ang nagre-resolve dyan. Tapos dapat maintindihan din natin na General Browner and Tariela of Coast Guard should not be allowed to open their mouths without really intelligent planning. Dapat sa Senate and Office of the President ang magde-deal nito, because the more mouths are involved, the more insults, the more mistakes that will happen. So ang nangyayari na nagiging mess up or naging magulo tuloy ang situation dahil maraming naging spokesperson sa area. So naawa ko sa mga sundalo natin. Pero alam natin na kahit buong armed forces ipadala dyan ni General Browner, talo tayo. Sa militia pa lang, number of ships pa lang na nasa area, around 100 militia ships, talo na tayo. Coast Guard pa lang versus our whole armed forces and our whole of our Navy, wala tayong laban. Kaya nga, naisulat ko nga, paano ba tayo may general na ganyan na dapat alam mo yan, if your force are maliit, you don't feed it. You buy time. I think it's time to negotiate peace. If we really want trouble, sana bigyan naman natin ng dangal ang mga sundalo natin na pagtibayin muna natin ang armed forces natin. Now is not the right time to fight a giant like China. Now is the time to regroup and make Philippines a strong country economically. Huwag muna tayo mag-usap ng military kasi wala tayong laban at nakita naman natin dyan.
Opo.
Yung army natin tinalo lang ng militia at Coast Guard. Opo.